Hi, back again, next house. So today we make this here. So let's start. I do it with the sample file as the other times before. 3 stages. So add mesh cube, scale down, scale set, done. Edit mode, Control R, 2 loops, done. Colors, plus, search for material, that's the white one, then plus, and take here material 01, the red one, then get this sign. We look which house it is. Think that one. Must be that one. Or that one. That here is it. Yep. So it has a mystery roof. You see it. It comes out to the back and here in front. What will you say? Normally we must make here a Control R loop and bring one side completely out, extrude. That is the form of the house that we see there, but this must come a little more out here, and that must be then the roof too. That means we need to cut with a knife from there till there, spacebar to accept, and from here to there, cut, and from here to the middle there, from there to there. So now we must pick up that. That means we take that one, that too, and this and this. Yeah. So we have now that roof. That's good. File, save. Then fill little windows in the front. So we get here one of them. P to separate the selection, and we have one. We scale that in the X, so that is a little window, and we need 4 of them. So one here. There's much space between, so that's okay. Look from front. L to select. Shift D, make a duplicate. Then we take both. Shift D, make here some, but here we take plus material sign. We have white ones that we see some. Then the last one is 2 windows and 1 door. Okay, 2 windows, 1 door. So Shift D, that should be the windows. And then 1 door. Make it red. Shift D, rotate Y 180. No, rotate Y 90. So grab, positioning, scale X, scale Z, Small door. Big windows. Yeah. Okay, that's the cutter object. We cut that into the house. So it must come in there. But before object, apply rotation scale. Same with the house. Object, apply rotation scale. And cutter object name is cubes 26. So we take the house, modify a boolean cube 0.026. Should be operation difference, apply. So windows are in. We need to bring that more in front here. And that too. This one's, there are different possibilities for that. How to do that? Okay, X, delete only faces. Then the same with the windows there. X, delete only faces. So it's open up now. File, save. I'm thinking that very old windows, so it's maybe a 2 counted window, not more. So we can take here a window and make it 2 counted from that. Means we go here, edit mode, and delete this part, that part, and then we make that here longer. So background selection, word selection, B for border selection, and bring that down. But I don't think they are so big. So maybe we get better that up. So makes sense. Good. Then we take that window, bring it there to the house. And look that we get the right size, and it should be white window, not a brown one. So we take the plastic white to white. Most of the day, that is 111. So red, blue, all one, then it's white. Go here to solid mode, so see it better. So scale up, scale down, scale set. So then plug it into. So I think that works. Then all D, bring it there too. Then take both all D, bring them down there. Okay. Now back to material mode, save. What we have there? Door. And 3 windows with 1 cut. Interesting. Good, what will you say? We take one of that windows. Shift D, scale set. Oh, what happens here? Scale set for the door. And make it the down part longer. So we have that, and extrude that down. So we have that. Then we take here the middle parts, extrude scale. Wow, that's not so good. So we go here to individual origins and scale. Now both. Okay, they want to fight with me, so we give him the chance. So this both with individual origins, extrude scale. Good. Scale set. And then extrude or intrude. I intruded. Done. That's the door. Back to medium point. The glass is no glass, I see. Okay. So we have to extrude or intrude that again. And close up the back here with F. And that all should have glass material. So then bring that into, and we see it's too small to scale, scale X. So that is door. We rotate set 90 degrees, so we can rotate set a little more, and then we plug it onto, and then it's good. An open door. File, save. Then we need that windows there. That was 3 little windows with 1 cut there. 3 little windows with 1 cut there. So Shift D, 1 window, 3 windows. Okay. So then we take that whole side here and extrude that. So we have just 3 windows there. Extrude again. Then take this both and X delete only faces. And again. Then we have to close up these holes there. This and this. I have to close that and that. Close. Here we have the same problem with the back part of the class there. I don't know why, but who cares? X delete edges. That was combined with them. What is really wrong? But okay, so we close with F. Done. We need here for the window an extrude of the class again, and take it and make it longer, and close the back, I think. No, and this time the back is okay. Then it's good. So L to select that complete class assign. But in this case, the windows are longer and down is the only cut there. Okay, longer. So we take that whole thing, scale set, scale on the whole, scale X. Then we take with background selection, word selection, border selection, bring that down. And that is the window. So we try to plug that in. Go here to solid mode. Okay. Scale X. Yes. Good one. Alt D. And bring it there too. So all windows are in. Holes are in. Roof is there. The marquees we need. And then comes texturing and the other stuff there. So we can take the candle from that house. Shift D. And bring them there. For this house, I think can be a little bit bigger, so scale a little. Of course, it's a big house. Okay. Then we see automatically that we must make that shorter. So we can delete that one. Get here back. Close that with F and bring that near to. Then we take the holders and make them gone, what we don't need. Then we take the pipe here and make them longer. Take one of the rings, Shift D, place it down there. Good. So candle is there. File, save as new version number. It's number 2 in my case, 24.2. Then the marquise and then the materials. Marquise and the materials. So for the marquise we take simply that and that plane here, edge here, and extrude out and print them down. Ready, marquise done. Oh yeah, that is okay. Then we need here this around the windows, these big stones. I have it from the other project, you know that. Told it you every time. So I take that once and bring them to the house. Yeah. One is there, and where's the other? Wow, hide it. So bring them there too. Good. So now we must make them to size for the windows. So we bring them there, scale down, and put into scale down, maybe a little bit bigger. Then we take that for top part and down part, same one. Yes, perfectly. Go as deep inside as you can. Then take that one, scale it down to, bring it there, bring it into, scale up a little. So that is okay. Good. We have to bring that together. So we take both of them and join them. Then we take one of them and extrude them to this part there. Extrude, bring it there. And here, extrude, bring it there. So, I've done that. Here we need an unwrap from view. Then materials should fit. We see that don't look so good here. So we have to tweak a little. Take that here. And bring that up. Okay. With background selection, root selection. So that here up. And that here. Well. And that here. So to that point, then that till that point. Good. Here that is a little bit too big there and too small there. So we take there that side and make that shorter. And that should be it in normal. So we have something around the windows, not the finest and nicest one, but it is one. Make it here a little bit smaller. Good. Then Alt D, bring it there too, and get them both. Alt D, bring it down there, and I think the doors there is a 2 or something is around there. Yeah, okay. That makes it a little bit harder. So Shift D, make one around the door. But for that we need bigger ones, so we scale that up simply. Okay. Here we don't need the down part there, so we can X, delete the words there, and then copy maybe that part. Shift D and place them down there. Then the down part a little bit longer. Here same, B, border select, Shift D, bring it down there, delete the lower X. So we have that door made. Now the Windows 2. So Shift D. Scale up. Place it there. And then bring that all till the side. So be border selection. And bring it there. Done. Shift D. Bring it there too. Good. That was the most part of that. Now only the materials left. And for that house there's no smoker, there's no nothing is there. Good. But I see the leaning a ladder. But a mystery's ladder. They have a roof that comes completely there. Such like that. And that doesn't exist. So X delete words. Okay. Then we can close that face. If we have some left there, I don't know. No. And we see here nothing because this pipe thing. So make it manually have to close. And that here sure must be closed too. Have to close. And this shitty thing here too. Don't know where it ends, where it starts. Nobody knows. But who cares? Have to close. No, what is that? Well, we let the roof like this. Okay. File, save. So we need here roof tiles. So when we click the house plus, then roof. So we have here roof tiles. Hope so. No, I can't live with that. I must make that correctly. So, X to delete words. Then this part comes there. Now that should be closed. So that should be closed too with F. Now go set wireframe mode. Now we must close it so that we only close here up. It's very hard to see. F to close, that is good. So material. Yes, we did it. File, save. So the roof tiles. We take face selection front and the back. Then look from front, hit U, project from view, roof tiles assign, go to UV image editor, X, and scale up. So we done the roof. Then we have to do it here too. So this both you project from view, roof tiles, assign, scale down. Good. Oh, must be more scaled to have the same size like there. Okay. File, save. Then we need here stone wall material for the house. So plus, look here, stone wall. Wait for the preview. Okay. File, save. That we now plug overall. So we select here the faces from the front, not the marquise, but the rest there. Good. But I don't know why that here is selected. Okay, no plan. But that backside we mark 2. Then we'll look from front, U, project from U, stone wall, sign, and scale it here down. So that is done. Then the sides. Select all of this side and all of that side. And look from the side, U, project from U, stone, sign, scale down. So that's good. File, save as, new version number 3 in my case. So the only thing that left here must be a correct bottom, and the windows inside are not with stone. That is the problem there. So we get the inside of the windows selected. And here too. And the door entrance here. So then we look from the side again. Here the U, project from U, stone wall, sign, and scale down. So that is now all like it should. File, save. The rest is the bottom there. So we mark the complete bottom. Look from top. Hit U, project from U, plus. We look of we had packet or wood or some. Wood we have. That wood I don't want. We look for parquet. Parquet we have, wonderful. So bring that into. All these textures you can get from textures.com. I told that you often. And scale it here down. So have that. Good. File, save, quick render. Yep. Good one. Looks like it should. Only thing I thaw is here are some problems. I think that is a normal error. So we can mark all, go to UV shading, recalculate the normals. Render again. That are the shadows that fall there, but they're not correct there. So we must look again what we can do there. Solid mode. That is all okay. Yeah. Okay, then it is like it is. It can be that the wet plastic, yeah, it isn't selected with them. That is it. So we have to assign that here too. Now okay, much better. So I have done here all that house. Oh, we have here that marquise, that is other marquise like red. Okay, so we have to do one. Go here, plus, and say new. We call it marquise 2. We say it should be an image. Open up our texture folder from St.Michell, and we have last time the same colored marquise, so we can take the same material when we find them here, and then simply view from view marquise sign, scale down. Wow, not the bottom there. What do you do there? Only that one. View from view marquise sign, scale down. So that is now the same color as them there. Okay, file, save. This house is done. Thanks a lot for watching. We see us in the next tutorial. Bye.